Okay, so here is the entire Okada parrot family there. We have well, of course we have Snowy over there sleeping. She's been a good girl. It's taken her almost a week to get acclimated. She still is bothered by the birds, but the first one that joined the family, here's Cloud. Hi, Cloud. What you doing, Cloud? Cloud is, we call him Cloud Cloud, but he is very, I think it's a he, I don't know. He's very curious. And he's friendliest out of all of them, actually. Huh? What you doing, Cloud? Don't go towards Tori. She's gonna bite you. Okay, and then here is Ray Ray. She is petrified of us. So I try to get her to warm up to me, but she's a little more cautious. This one is very curious. So he warmed up to me very quickly. And Tori is the newest member of the family. And she is an Indian ringneck. Although I don't see a ring, I'm presuming she's a female. She was born in October of 2015. We just got her like a couple days ago. So she's very curious, not curious, she's very cautious, very quiet actually, although I have heard her screech, but not too long. So she's almost like the green cheek conure, like Ko-chan. Ko-chan is very quiet too, but she has her moments. Once she starts rattling off, she'll rattle off. Huh, these guys, Cloud sings to me all day long. You guys want to go to bed? You look like you're getting ready for bed. You're all fluffed up. Now Cloud would not leave Tori alone, even though she nips him and tells him who's the boss. Cloud just keeps going back to her cage and challenging her, because I tell him, come on Cloud, step up. No, see, come on, step up. Oh, you're gonna get nipped. So Tori listens to me, and she's not doing anything, but you see how she's kind of like has her head back. So I better fix that. And I do. Okay. Step up. Come on. Step up. Good boy. No. Come on, step up. Good boy. Oh, he's got to be next to Tori. See, I told you. Tori, no. But that is her cage, so I'm trying to get you. Come on, step up. There you go. This is your spot right here. Go ahead. No! Cloud, no! Come on. Go back to your cage. Nope. This is what I was doing to Tori earlier, because Tori would not leave their cage alone. Cloud, no. Come on. No. Come on, step up. She's gonna bite me. Step up. No, Cloud, no. Come on. Step up. All right, we'll see how long Tori will let that happen. I'll just leave it. Oh, she's got that evil look in her face. Cloud just wants to go over there and groom Tori, but she nipped at him. Oh, good boy, Cloud. Good boy. Like I said, he's very curious, so her being the newest family member, he wants to go and be friendly to her. Where? You want to go back to Ray? You want to go home? You want to get some sleep? Come on, step up. Step up. Step up. Come on. Come on, Cloud Cloud. Step up. Come on. Good boy. No. Come on. No. No, no. No, no. Come on. Step up. Okay. No. Alright, I'll just let it be. I know. I'm sorry, Snowy. Snowy's been good. She just doesn't know what to do with the birds. They've overtaken the house. Huh, Snowy? Good boy. Good boy. Want to go home? Why don't you go home? Why don't you get some rest? Good boy. Snowy. Cloudy. Come on, Cloud. I'll let you be. Want to go up on your new makeshift jungle gym thing that I made for you? Via the bell. You have a toy. Snuggle, snuggle. Ray Ray's already in bed. See? She's already on the top perch. Ready for bed? Hi, Tori. Hi, Tori. Hi, Tori. What'd you think? Well, they were a little bit more active earlier, but... So that's our new family member. And of course, here's Snowy. Hi, Snowball. Hi, Snowy. We're gonna go to bed soon, okay? Snowy sleeps with me now. I mean, she's been sleeping with me, but I let her sleep with me so that she gets special time with Mama. Oh, there it goes. See, now Tori's on Cloud's cage. Tori, be nice. Go back to your cage. Go, be nice. Be nice, Tori. Go back. Okay. If you're gonna be on the cage, you have to be nice. Whoops, careful. You have to be nice. Uh-oh, don't go after Ray. If you're socializing, that's fine. Okay. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, Tori? No, you don't want me to film you, huh? Okay. This is a nice 3-shot. You're gonna fall. Oh, you want to take this cage apart. This is... Tori? What are you doing? Can't go down there, Tori. Oh, I better help her.